Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Germany World Cup shirt for this year, 2026 World Cup. And this shirt was purchased from bestzv3.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I've got a few of these international shirts on the way as we build up to the World Cup. And I started off with the German one. I quite like the design of it, dare I say it. So yeah, that's the reason why I've started with this one. If you do enjoy the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And you can straight away see, as we just take a deeper look, that this is the player spec version. The shirt comes in a standard Adidas bag, and on the flip side it does have the usual health warnings. I'll say the seller of this one is bestzv3.com. The information will be in the description, along with a DHgate link for my usual seller. So make sure you check them out. Delivery timescales, you're looking again, as always, in that sweet spot, about 10 to 15 days. I'm sure there will be times though where they get delayed, and sometimes where they'll be quicker. But what we'll do now is we'll undo the bag, and let's take a look at this Germany World Cup shirt. Okay, we're at the front of the shirt. And you've got this like sort of V neck style collar, which is quite a nice one. The stripes are embroidered on as like a separate bit of material, which if I put my hand there you can hopefully see. And obviously you've got the German flag colour going down to the heat pressed on Adidas emblem. That's got a really nice texture to it. And the Germany badge, or Deutschland badge, depending on how you want to pronounce it, along with the stars, have all been heat pressed on. And again, they've got that nice texture, just really smart. Look, I guess that's the year that Germany have won, or that 1954, 1974, 1990 and 2014. We've got a loose cotton there, but you can soon get a pair of scissors on that. It's quite a large loose cotton. And then at the bottom we have the authentic licensed product and the Climacool. Both are rubber. And then on this side we have 1954 Germany in Adidas. Is that when Adidas started manufacturing for Germany, 1954? If it is, let me know in the comments. If it's not, well, yeah, let me know that as well. Be interested to know what that means. And being the player spec version, you've got the breathable sort of material down the bottom there. And there's the front of the shirt. Let's take a look at the reverse side now as well. Onto the reverse side, not really a lot to call out on this side, but we do have the banding around the collar, and again an extra loose thread there. Yeah, the stripes continue around to the back, and again there's a bit more loose thread in there. I'm surprised because Germany obviously quite a big national team. Usually when you get these sort of bigger teams or bigger nations, the shirts are pretty much perfect, but this one's got a fair few loose threads. Not that that's going to cause any problems, it just means that we need to get the scissors out. Being white, I didn't actually check. Is the material, it's going to be slightly see-through because it is the player spec one. Look, yeah, you can just about make my hand out through it, so that is expected. Obviously no name or number on the back of this one. I've just left it as the plain white, which looks really, really tidy and clean. You can just make out some of the items there, which obviously the collar line there from the other side, again because it's white. But that's the reverse side. We'll take a look at the inside now. Alright, we're on to the inside, and at a quick glance, again a lot more loose threads, but we'll come to that as we spot them. And straight away here's some around the collar line. The Germany badge, so there it has been heat pressed on along with the stars, and that's really nice. And yeah, that's on that side, lovely and smooth. But here's a really long loose cotton. Look, well, it's actually two. One there, one that goes down to the arm, and that's actually attached, which is a bit strange. And then the join on where the sleeve part is, again, slight loose one on that side, nothing on that side. Another one just above where the washing instructions are. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip them inside out and put it on a hand wash setting, and never tumble dry them. That patch has gone on well, and this side as well. Oh, look, that's nice. Nice little touch on the inside there. Stitching there, again, a little bit all over the place, but when it's on the inside, it's not so bad. But I would definitely be getting some scissors on this shirt, just to get rid of these loose cottons that we see quite a way away around the shirt. I do like, though, the German flag on the inside. It looks very tidy as well. But there's the first part of the inside done. Let's flip it around and take a look at the final part of the inside of this Germany World Cup shirt. Okay, final side now, and we've got the Slim Fit XL. I said it during the video, it's a player spec one, so it is going to be quite tight to fit in, so it's always recommended to go up a size or two. We can see the Adidas quite clearly through it. Germany badge, not so clear, but it is still see-through. We have the Adidas jersey tag, which is obviously the giveaway on these sort of items, and the other way to tell if you've got a legitimate one or not is these product codes. The product code, just put that into Google and it will tell you. If it comes up with the official shirt, then you know you've got the good one. If it comes up with something completely off, then you know it's going to be a copy. But we do know this one is not an official shirt, and that's what we look at on these videos, so you can see what the items are like. And a little bit see-through there and there, but it's why it's expected to be see-through. And as I push in again, you can see the German flag quite well. There's the final part of the inside of the shirt completed. And there we have our Germany World Cup 2026 home shirt. I know it's going to be controversial, but I really like this one. Obviously, being an English boy, I'm not meant to have favouritism or anything, and I'm not saying that Germany are my favourite, far from it, but from a shirt point of view, this is definitely up there. I think it is really, really class looking. I love the German flag here. It's really simple, but really effective. And I think a lot of teams are aiming for this sort of retro style, simplistic look, and I think it's very, very nice. So for me, this gets a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think to this shirt. If you enjoyed the video, also hit the like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, by all means, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The seller is bestzv3.com. All the information will be in the description, along with a DHgate link to my usual seller. I'll have a look, see if they've got Germany items. If not, it'll be to something else. Delivery timescales, you're looking between 10 and 15 days for the item to arrive. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.